Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix DNS server not responding error in Windows 11, 10. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Connected Network Adapter, click Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Use the following DNS server addresses. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig /flush DNS. Type ipconfig /register DNS. Type ipconfig /release. Type ipconfig /renew. Third method is click Start, Settings, Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset, click Reset Now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.